Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making fake nails without nail glue. But before we do that, I'm going to give a quick shout out to Daniela Lopez. Thank you so much for commenting on my videos. And if you want to be featured in my next shout out, comment something down below. So yeah, let's dive right into this video. First things first, start with some nail prep. This is optional, but this is how I do it. So first, buff your nails. This helps the nails last longer. I'm pretty sure it makes false nails stick to your nails better, but don't quote me on that. Guys, if you hear this noise, it's the rain, okay? It was sunny 5 minutes ago, I don't know what's happening. Anyways, apply some base coat to your nails. This is to protect your nails from damage, and for me, it makes the removal process a lot easier. Breathe that shine. Next, peel the layer off some cardboard. So yeah, this is my collection. And I'm gonna cut out a full nail. Some people in my last video wanted to see how I do this, so I'm just gonna show you how to cut out the nail, I guess. So first thing I do is cut out the cuticle area. Then I trim the sides to make sure it fits perfectly from side to side. And then finally I trim the length and shape them. Okay, so for each nail you're gonna need 3 layers. So that's 3 times 5, which is 15. Third layer, I found a thicker piece, so I used that. So I ended up cutting out 4 nails. Next, take some kind of dish so that we can make the paste. Put down some tissue because it's going to get messy. And then add some PVA glue. Next, add cornstarch. Try to get the same amount of each thing. Next, grab a plastic wallet and then curve all of the nails. Make sure you over curve them because that's going to make it easier. Attach it to a pencil to make your life easier. Then cover the nail with paste. Stick on the other piece and repeat. I'm well aware this is a lot of effort for some fake nails, but some of you guys don't have nail glue, so this is your other option. Then I made a few more and let it dry overnight. Next we're gonna file them. This will make a nice smooth surface for when we paint them. Next I'm painting them. I'm just custom mixing some pastel colors. And this is acrylic paint, by the way.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Then attach them to your nails. This is how they look so far. You can leave them matte, or you can add a top coat like I did. And this is the final result. They're actually quite strong, not gonna lie. So it's a good alternative if you don't have nail glue, but you have to wait a long time. But before I end the video, I'm gonna show you guys my other videos. What do you think of my home screen? I think it's pretty lit. I didn't bother to change the icons, but it is what it is. So just search IQRA'S DIY. Click on my channel, my videos will all be there. As you can see, I have loads of nail tutorials, so check them out, I have a good range. And if you click on the description, you will see some top tips and the removal process, and the link to my channel homepage.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So shout out to those who wanted me to do this video. Thank you so much, we hit over 3K. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye!